Hey y'all, this is Chef Shay, and today I'm going to be making some potato cakes. Potato cakes are really easy to do. All you have to do is have some leftover mashed potatoes. We're going to put all our little yummy good things together in them, and these are going to be loaded potato cakes, and we're going to drizzle it with DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to take our mashed potatoes, day-old mashed potatoes, or if you want to do them in the morning, they have to be cold. So that's why I'm saying this is a good thing to do as leftovers, because you want them to be cold. And so you have, I use Yucatan potatoes, but you can use whatever potatoes you want to use. So you get your potatoes. We have green onions, because these are going to be loaded. So we're going to put our green onions in here. Green onions, and then we're going to do a tablespoon of sour cream that we have in there. We're going to do bacon. This is optional because I know some people don't eat bacon, so this is optional, but you can put some bacon because remember this is loaded. And then we have our cheese. I have white cheddar. Salt and pepper for taste. One tablespoon of flour. 2 tablespoons of cocoa brown breadcrumbs. I'm sorry, you guys, it was 2 tablespoons of flour. All right, and then we're just gonna mix everything together. How easy was that? Just gonna mix all this together. Your potatoes and you just kind of want to make them into like cakes. We have our potato cakes, our loaded potato cakes. You see how easy that was? Just pan fry them, nice and crisp. We have the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce that I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle them with and take a bite. All right, so I'm getting ready to, just drizzle a little bit. or you could do a little dipping, whatever you want to do. And then we're gonna go in and taste. Okay, y'all, so I have the potato cakes drizzled with the remoulade sauce, DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. You can get on our website at DivineKuizine.com. If you're in the Atlanta area, you can go to Beefers Farmers Market, and we're also on Amazon. So this is a great way. I'm always showing you ways how to use DivineKuizine sauce, and this is a great way just to drizzle it on your loaded potato cake. So let's eat, let's try. They're real good. They taste like, you know what they taste like? Creamy, like the inside of a baked potato. You know, like the inside of your baked potato that's nice and creamy. But then you got this little crust on the outside that gives you that other flavor of like crispiness and crunchiness. That cheese just melts in your mouth. I mean, it's so good. And then you have the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce, so it kind of gives it a little kick as well of like the sauce of like the remoulade. And the remoulade is kind of like a spice, a little sweet, a little tangy, all that together. This is, you see how easy this was? This was easy. And like I said, you don't have to, you can put whatever you want in it. You can put chives, you can put the bacon, you can put just cheese if you wanted to. It's real kid friendly. You can do this and for your leftover mashed potatoes, or whatever potatoes you want to use. And then you can just put cheese in there or peppers or whatever you like. So to get this recipe, like I said before, go to DivineKuizine.com. Love y'all.